this is Amy B. Young, the kind of ghost-looking figure here. He was the architect of the building. He designed it, designed a number of federal buildings. He was actually an architect for the Treasury Department back then. So a lot of the famous customs houses, courthouses from that era were designed and built by him. This was actually the last federal building he ever built. So.
Was this portrait in here already? I mean,
no, so all the portraits as we go through, I've had painted. So they're all original oil paintings, and so
you commissioned them.
Yep,
that's pretty cool.
So we're able to find photographs, different things, and then I'd send it to an artist, and they would paint it and send it back. He doesn't. You'll see upstairs that pretty much all the paintings have plaques that describe the history and their tie-in to the building. I've ordered a plaque for him. It hadn't come in yet, but it'll be a little plaque telling who he is and his dedication to the building. So
that's cool.
Well, the spirits are coming alive, yeah. Because they're recognizing some of these faces again. It's been a long time. So, so this is the Great Fire of 1885, and so that's from the rooftop here of the building. And so looking out, you can see just blocks and blocks of nothingness. Those were all homes, buildings back then. So it burned. Is that door open here? Hey, how you doing? Hello.
Hi, young man.
What's going on, bro? You good? Yes, sir.
The Treasury Department.
How you doing? What's up, Mr. McLaughlin?
So the Treasury Department commissioned coins for the original 10 custom houses in the United States. So it's Galveston Custom House here with the building.
Wow, that's pretty cool.
Then you got some Model Ts here out in front of the building. It originally had the flag on the rooftop, which was something I wanted to get done. So we just got that put up there about 3 days ago.
What, the actual pole?
Yep, got a pole put up there and a flag
Okay,
up there now.
got it.
So there's a flag mounted on the ground. We'll be taking that down now that we've got the rooftop flag up there. Yeah, they wrote a song about the fire up there. So. This is kind of an interesting picture. 1914. See the guys dressed in their hats and their suits. It was a dirt street, so to cut down on all the dust, they would drive through with the water sprinkler truck and wet down the dirt roads.
Still do that in Iraq.
Yeah.
But that's how we do it.
Yeah, so 1914 that was the first sprinkler truck in Galveston. So that was kind of when it first got started here in Galveston, where they were wetting it down on a daily basis. So. How are you? So this was a postage stamp that they had a dedication ceremony back in 1977. This was kind of one of the first restoration projects for the building. And so they issued a postcard, what dated July 20th, 1977, with a 9-cent stamp. What is it now? It's 70-something cents, I think, for a stamp. So that was really cool, trying to find some of that. I actually got an original program from that day also we were able to find.